Hey everyone, Lucas here with FastCap. So we have scratch and dent fence extrusions available for best fence systems that will save you some money. And I want to show you what a scratch and dent means. Basically, these are fences that got some damage during shipping from our aluminum extruder to us. And so we're offering them at a discount. Some could have scratches on the face of the fence, like you see on this flat fence here. But none of these affect the functionality of the fence whatsoever. And that's one of the worst looking ones I have right there. So it could be up to that bad. It could also be something as simple as just a long scratch along the front edge of the fence there. And then this one's got just a little extra ding right there. So these are great fences. They'll work awesome. They'll save you a bunch of money. And honestly, even if you buy a brand new fence, after you bring it to 2 or 3 job sites, it's probably gonna look worse than these scratch and dents do already. So save yourself some money, get a scratch and dent fence with your system.